Hi everyone, welcome to NefisTV. Today we'll bake some cookies that look like coffee beans. They are extremely easy and fun to make. Here's how. In a whisking bowl, put together 125 grams of softened butter, 1 egg, 1 cup of icing sugar, half a cup of starch, 2 teaspoons of extra fine ground coffee, 3 teaspoons of cacao powder, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla sugar, and knead. Add about 1½ cups of all-purpose flour gradually and form a dough that is soft to touch. Take small pieces from the dough and shape each one to an oval shape. Place the ovals on a parchment lined oven tray and then press the middle line with a toothpick. Bake for 15 minutes in an oven preheated at 180 degrees. Coffee bean cookies are ready to serve. Enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and click the bell icon. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching.